Assalamu alaikum everyone. A warm welcome to English Club 2.0. This is Mohammad Sabir Ahmed Khan, student of Computer Science and Engineering final year, duet. Today I will share with you 4 super effective tips to improve your English. If you are a beginner or just want to take your skills to the next level, these tips will help you a lot. Let's get started. Number 1, practice daily conversations. Speak English every day, even it's just a little. Talk to friends, family, or in front of the mirror by yourself. Number 2, watch and listen in English. Watch movies, TV shows, or English related videos. Listen to English podcasts or music and try to mimic the pronunciation. Number 3, read books, watch blogs, even social media posts, and write about your day in English. And the last one, but not the least, please don't randomly memorize vocabulary. Learn by applying them into sentences. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and get engaged for more exciting content. Happy learning.